Hi, how are you? Okay, so I thought I would bring you along on a working from home day with me today. You've seen me working from the office, you've seen me on a shopping trip, and going to the office, I'm only going to be doing that once a week, and shopping trips probably twice a month, or maybe a little bit more. It all depends on how much shopping I've got to do, how much inspiration I need, and all of that sort of stuff. But yeah, today I thought I would do a working from home day and bring you along. How fun! My new job, basically I'm working 4 days a week from home and 1 day in the office. So the majority of the time I will be spending at home, working here in my room, in my space. So it's currently like 8:30 and I start work at 9, so it takes about half an hour to get ready. So first things first, I need to get in the shower, I need to wash my hair, wash my face, brush my teeth, all of that, and then I need to clean my room. It's a mess. I don't know how it's got this messy, but I had to do a lot of swatches and stuff yesterday. I've still got to choose Pantones and things today. A lot to do, and I start work at 9, so let's jump in the shower.
Going in the shower. Bye.
Okay, I'm out of the shower and I feel so much better. Does anyone else feel like so much more energised and revitalised after they have a shower? I don't know why, but when I wake up and if I don't have a shower before I start work or anything like that, I just feel really sluggish and slow, but after a shower I just feel right. My room is an absolute mess. Last night I had to run out because I had a bar shift, so I didn't have a chance to clean my room or anything after my day's working. I was doing loads of bits and bobs, so I need to clean it up. I need to get Zoom ready, so yeah, let's clean the room. I'm so annoyed. I've just taken some coffees downstairs and spilt coffee all over my floor, Luke. How annoying is that? But don't worry, I've got Vanish and I've got a wet towel, so yeah, great. Really not what I need before starting work. What time is it? It's nearly 9 o'clock, okay. Let's just spray some of this on. Let's hope that gets all the stain out. And we've put quite a bit on. It says to leave it for like 2 minutes, so I'm gonna do that and now I'm gonna log on for work. No, it's 2 hours. I thought 2 minutes was a bit too quick because obviously it needs to dry, yeah, so I need to leave it for 2 hours. That's fine. I'm just gonna have a quick check of emails, see what's going on, see if I've got any Zooms this morning, and then check my calendar to see what I've got to do today, and then I'm gonna go make a coffee. Because I really can't start the day without some kind of tea or coffee. Okay, so I've just checked through my emails, nothing there I've got to get back to, which is great. It means that I can just hit the ground running and get going. Just checking my calendar for the week, and I've got a lot going on. I'm just quickly going to show you. So this is my calendar for the week, as you can see, absolutely jam-packed. So today I've got to do fits for both essentials and also jersey, and then I've got a bit of free time after that I can do some research, and then for the rest of the day I'm working on my design presentation. My next meeting's at 10. Oh, do you want to quickly see the setup that I've got? Okay, so this is my little desk area. This is like my ring light, so obviously when I'm recording my YouTube videos I'll get good light. Then work have also sent me this laptop and this screen, so it makes it a lot easier when I'm designing. There I can have some research or wherever else on one screen, and then I can have Illustrator on the other one. But yeah, so that's kind of the setup. Right, okay, I'm gonna go make a coffee or a tea, I'm not sure which yet. Probably a tea. Do I want a tea? Or do I want a coffee? Iced coffee? Oh my god, there's just so many decisions to make. I still don't know what to have, whether I have tea or coffee. I feel like I haven't had a tea in ages. I think I'm gonna have a tea. No, I'm gonna have a coffee. No, a tea. I'm gonna have a coffee. A bit hot, but yeah, okay. Okay, coffee. coffee is gotten. Okay, let's just get started on work. I've got some bits and bobs that I just want to do this morning, some things that I want to tie up from yesterday. So just kind of to explain what I'm doing this week, I'm actually researching P4 for a design presentation. Now what P4 is basically this time next year in 2022, and I'm researching to see what the current styles are, what the great shapes are, what the fabrics are, what the prints are, all of that sort of stuff. And I'm going to put them in this design presentation that we call a Desprez and sort of present it to the wider team, so to bind, to merch, to my managers, directors, all of that sort of stuff, and say these are the kind of things that we need to go after for this time next year. I will need at some point to catch up with my manager and my team today to see how they're getting on with their research. Oh, and I need to email one of my buyers and move a meeting. Let me do that now. Okay, so I've decided to quickly dry my hair before my meeting, so at least I'll look presentable. Maybe I'll whack a straightener through it quickly as well. Literally, I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Literally 2 minutes is fine. I might just quickly use my straighteners. And do you know, I've been thinking about recently, my hair takes so long usually to dry, to style, to get ready and to do all of that sort of stuff. I'm actually thinking more recently, shall I just chop it all off? Like literally I'm thinking really, really short. Do I want to just go like grade 2 on the top and grade like 0.5 faded in? I don't know. I'm going to throw some images up of kind of haircuts and styles that I like. Minus the tattoos, obviously, I don't want to tattoo, but you know, I'm thinking, should I go for something a little bit more different? I'm not bored, I think I'm just ready for a change. That'll do. Literally, quickly, 2 minutes just so I look semi-presentable on Zoom. So let's go to the meeting. I feel like the front rise looks shorter than the back. So Nick, if you just turn, does anyone else see that? It just looks like it's higher.
Yeah, the balance.
So if it was like that, and Nick, if you just turn to the front now, I don't know if that's helped it anymore, but obviously with the extra centimetre, I feel like that would really, really help. Oh, well, yeah. I don't know if I'm explaining myself very well, I'm just like there. So really difficult to explain. We've just done fits, and fits is basically fitting a garment to the body. So we had a model on camera and he was trying on all the stuff, and we were just basically critiquing it and saying what needs to be changed, if the shoulder's hitting correctly, if the length of the garment is right, and you know, usually you do fit in person, but obviously due to the pandemic and COVID and all of that sort of stuff, we can't. What time is it now? Okay, so it's nearly 12 o'clock. What have I got left to do today? Let's quickly go to my calendar. So I don't have much on from now until 2. So basically what I want to do is just pull together some CADs that some of our suppliers have sent to me, put them on a board so they're kind of there and ready for whenever we want a range build. And then I will probably make lunch. Hi! Okay, so it's been quite a while and that vanish just hasn't worked at all really. I mean, the stains are still there on the carpet from the coffee that I spilled this morning. Like, let me show you. Can you even see that? Like, look, it's all still here and all here. I think what I might do is get a scrubbing brush and a bit and then give it a quick scrub, but for now I am absolutely starving, so I'm gonna get lunch. Hi! Okay, so don't really know what to have for lunch because I don't really have anything in. I have got some leftover stir fry from yesterday, so maybe I'll have that. Let's get that. I mean, does that even look appetizing? I guess it does. Can you eat stir fry cold? Because I really can't be bothered to heat it up. No, I should really heat it up. I do have some like yogurt and fruit that I might have later, but for now, I think I'm just gonna have this. Okay, so something that I've been getting obsessed with recently is olives. So, you know, if you don't know, I have a bar job as well as my fashion job, YouTube, Etsy and all of that sort of stuff. Bit of a hustler, like to be busy, but at the bar we've just got these new olives. And I know it's a really random thing, but they are the best olives I have ever tasted. I'm gonna try and order some, I think. Let me go on Amazon and order them. You know, I'm just gonna flash some up on screen now because they are so good. They are massive, they are really juicy, and they've got a bit of a spicy kick to them. So let's see if I can find them. So they do have them where it's like, oh my God, I could get them tomorrow. Maybe I'll do that. Perfect. They've been ordered, so I should get them by the 9th or 10th of July. Oh, okay, my food's done. Oh, the bowl's really hot. Anyway, I think I'm gonna have a little bit of sriracha on it because, you know, everything tastes better with sriracha. Oh, that wasn't me, that was the bottle. It's really good. I might do another hour and then this afternoon, rather than making myself a coffee or a tea, I might actually go to this really nice coffee shop round the corner and just pick one up, so at least I've been out of the house and walking, but it is raining quite a lot, so maybe I won't do that. I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you back upstairs. So Harry's just come back from his walk and we're gonna feed him now, but it's really cute because we've got this thing where we say something, he goes into his mat, and then he waits until he's told, and then he'll go and get his food. Watch. Jujube. So we say Jujube, and he goes into his mat, and then we pour his food, and then we wait. And he doesn't go after his food until we tell him. Okay. So yeah, that's what he does. That's how he's fed. So I think that's really good, isn't it? Like it teaches him a bit of control. It teaches that, oh my God, he's chewing so loud. But I think Paul and Adrian have done a really good job training him with that. So there's a little update on Harry for you. So quickly, as the stain remover didn't remove the stain from my carpet, I've got a brush and some hot soapy water, and I'm just gonna quickly, before my break finishes, just quickly scrub the area, and then I'm gonna put the vanishing spray on again, and hopefully that'll get rid of the coffee stain from this morning. Let's go. Okay, so if that doesn't get rid of the coffee stain, I don't know what is. I'm just gonna leave it for a few hours and see how it goes. Let's get back to work. Okay, so I've been here for a couple of hours now doing some research, and so far it's going really, really well. Really happy with everything that I've seen, and I feel like the trend for next summer is coming together, so that's really, really good. I think what I might do now is just nip out and go and get a coffee. Well, I'm thinking like a chai latte from just around the corner, just to get me out of the house because I haven't left all day. And then I'm going to come back and work downstairs just to have a bit of a different vibe from this room. So, yeah. Oh my God. I'm actually really surprised how nice the weather is. Bloody hell. Yeah, it was raining so much earlier, so I was like, oh, shall I even come out and get a coffee? But, wow, the weather's really picked up. So this is the coffee shop, Gray's. I'm just going to go and get a coffee. Oh, well I would do, but it's closed. Oh, how frustrating. Okay. Well, I guess I'm not having a coffee then. I'll just, I don't know, I'll just go and make a tea at home or something. Oh my God, how frustrating. So I guess I'll just make a tea at home. I really fancied like a chai latte though, but you know what? It saved me £4 and I got out of the house and it was quite nice, so let me go get my laptop. Okay, so got my tea. It's not a chai latte like I wanted, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put some music on the TV and then I'm gonna crack on and do research. So yeah. So basically what I'm doing is I am researching, as I've said, for this time next year, so 2022, summer 2022. And all I'm doing really, how I start my research off is I look for inspirational images, I look for some mood images to make the actual trend come to life, and I also start looking at kind of some of my favourite online retailers like End, Hypebeast. I really like looking at Mr. Porter, and then I also go on some brands that I really like as well and just see what everyone's doing, and then later on I'll pull together mood boards from all my images and kind of pull it together in kind of like, what are the similar colours, what are the similar textures, what are the similar fabrics, any interesting new shapes that are coming through, is there anything new in terms of silhouettes, and then just go from there really. So I'm already really hungry again, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself something to eat. So I'm thinking some yogurt, some plums and a banana is like kind of a little snack, so let's just make that. So good! Okay. Let's crack on. Okay, so overall I'm still working on bits and it's like 5:45-ish now. So I'm going to carry on doing some things because I got an email earlier just asking to put some mood boards and things onto a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. And I also just need to add some CADs to that PowerPoint presentation because what we're going to do is we're going to do a range build over Zoom, and I think we need all of our CADs on the PowerPoint, which will make it a lot easier when we're sort of range building because then we can move things around, change things up, add things in, all of that sort of stuff. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'm going to head upstairs and work on some Etsy bits after I've done this. Okay, so I'm done for the day with my day job. It's now, what time is it? It's now 6:30. So yeah, not too bad. Done it like an hour extra today just because I felt like I was in the zone when I was researching. Yeah, just did an extra hour. What I'm gonna do now is I got an email on Etsy about a bespoke CAD that I've done. I'm just gonna make some small amendments to this bag and then I'll probably be done for the evening. I think what I'm gonna do is just chill for the rest of the night. Not really gonna do too much because today has been quite busy. Tomorrow I've got a busy day as well. I don't know if I should record tomorrow or not because it should be quite interesting. I'm going on another shopping day with Adam, but it's only to Westfield, which is only over the road, so I'm not sure whether I will or not. Anyway, so that has kind of been a day working from home with me. I mean, every day working from home is slightly different. There's a lot of Zooms, but yeah, for now that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow. If you want to go on Etsy and buy some CADs, then please do so. It'll help you on your journey if you're starting your own brand. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Monday and Thursday. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Bye!